We are walking into the Tillamook Creamery to take a tour of where they make ice cream and cheese. There's a big old cow. I don't know if you can see it on the sign. And we just spotted a seagull.
A seagull!
Which is pretty exciting because, you know, ocean and stuff.
An actual
All right,
seagull.
Pause. The elevator going up to the cheese factory tour. There's Macy with the cheese curds. The elevator paper is cheese curds. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I love me a cheese.
I love this elevator.
All right, here we go. Oh, on the farm. This is where they make cheese. So I guess in all those vats, it's just full of milk and cream. And then there's signs to tell us what's happening in there, but I just rather would watch. So much milk.
If you're doing that.
I guess they cook the milk in those cooking vats.
So nobody can see it.
They're not looking at me, they're looking that way.
No.
I'm my first rodeo kid. And there's a cheddar master in the back.
What?
Let's look at some cheddars. Some literature about cheddar. Oh. Okay. So that's a job, kids. One day you grow up, you can be a cheddar master too. It is your job to put the curds on the curd mat. See? Curds piled up. And they this way. So this is interesting. Those are giant blocks of cheese. Oh baby, look at that. Look at that block of cheese right there. They're just coming down the belt and they just wrap them up and, well, now they're going under here. I guess that's a shrink wrapper. I'm not sure. But that's a lot of cheese, yo. Oh, here comes one. That is a lot of cheese. So this is like the cheese playground, because look, they've got slides over there and the little ladders they're climbing and the blocks of cheese back there going up the thing. And then these machines are called the Blue Octopus. It's a vacuum sealer. I guess they suck all the air out of the packaging and make it nice and tight. And that looks like fun for the cheese. Cheese is having a great time in this factory. It's happy cheese. And you know what that means? That means it tastes good. Oh, there's just a big tub of cheese right there. It's the quality checkpoint. You know what? They have a knife. I bet they're just eating cheese all day. That sounds like an all right job to me. You guys, look at all that cheese. Look, she's like playing Jenga with cheese back there. Stacking the cheese. I've never seen so much cheese in one spot. So much cheese.
So much cheese.
So much. This is the patching station,
Look at all
whatever that
cheddar.
means. Well, that's a lot of cheddar.
She cuts the cheese.
But I'm pumped. So do I.
Not as... No, Mom.
Well, I'm a human. This may be the best part of all. It's a cheese gift shop. You can buy cheese, and there's all that in ice cream over there. And of course, if you want a cheesy t-shirt, they got that too. That's pretty rad. We're going there right now. And Macy got some ice cream. Mint chocolate chip. We'll see how it tastes. Oh,
Mask.
okay, you got your mask on. It's not going to work.